Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Power Teacher Pro. More importantly, we're looking at reports. Once again, thanks to Mark Keffer for letting me use his class as an example. So on the left-hand side, you're going to notice reports. So we're going to select reports here, and then we're going to select individual student report. Now, when you select individual student report, you're going to see the report title at the top. You can certainly go in and edit that if you'd like to. And then you're going to see the classes here. If you'd like them all selected, certainly select all of them here. If you only want one or two, you can certainly do that as well. That is up to you. But what we're going to do for right now is we're just going to keep it as language arts. Now we're going to scroll down here a little bit. You can see the sort options and showing percentages and so on and so forth. One thing, make sure that we're in quarter one, we're going to use quarter one, so on and so forth. Now, if you want to run it for all your students, go ahead in and run the report. Give it a little bit of time because it is running a decent amount of data, and it's ready to go. So it's going to come up in a PDF form, and you're going to have roughly, depending how many students, you're going to have about 40 pages worth. So it's going to go by in alphabetical order, and it'll print out all the assignment scores. This is great for having when a parent comes in, when you're talking about report cards, so on and so forth. So it's great to have. Now, what if you only wanted one student? What you can do is come up here to the very top where it says students, and you want to select add remove students, and then we're going to select the check there. So it removes everyone, and then you can just select one student, run that report, and it's ready to go, easy to print out in a PDF form. So that is the first one in dealing with individual student reports. Now the multifunction assignment report. This one here, as it says, it's a list of students and scores per assignment, and it's great for finding missing late assignments. So what you can do again is, I'm just going to keep it as language arts for right now, and I'm going to run it for all students. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead in and run the report. If I select this in here, select the PDF, you can see it's just going to be per assignment that comes up. So it's great to see, is there one missing? What is the maximum score per? How did everybody do? So you can just go ahead and go through there and check it out. So again, that is per assignment. And again, that's a multifunction assignment report. The next report we're going to take a look at is just a Scoresheet report. So what you can do with this one, again, just to show you, it's going to have all students come up in here. What we can do with this one is just run the report. Going to keep it as all students. Again, remember to run it quarter one or whatever quarter you're in. We're going to select it, and this is just a nice, simple, quick way to see the assignments and to see the overall average per student. So that is a really nice feature to have very quickly to have at your hands. So again, that one is known as a Scoresheet report. And then a student roster. If you just select a student roster in here, this is great for going in, and what you can do, again, you can always rename these up here. Select your class or classes. You can sort them by last name, first name, birthday. I'm going to keep it as last name, but what's nice is you can go ahead in and add columns or remove columns if you'd like to. So we're just going to add a number of columns here, and we're going to run this report. So what's going to do is this is great for if you have running records or something like that. See how we have a number of columns set up that you could go ahead in and just print this out and use it as you see fit. So again, that one is just going in, and that's just student roster. So there you go. That is dealing with reports. And if you do have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.